Hello, this is John Donnellan from JD Website Development, and this screencast is going to show you how to add a blog post using a template inside the Divi theme. And the website that we're going to use for this tutorial is a website that I created quite a while ago for a company in Chicago called My Small Business Pro. So the first thing we're going to do is log into the back end of the website. And once we get logged into the back end in the dashboard, we're going to go to Posts. We're going to go to Add New. We're going to give our post a title. And then we're going to click Use the Divi Builder. Once we click on Use the Divi Builder, you'll see that the screen will change and the Divi Builder will load down here. And now we can load our template from the Divi library. So we want to go to Load from Library. Then we want to go over here where it says Add from Library, because we have pre-saved our blog template in our Divi library. So we're going to click on Add from Library, and you can see we have our blog post template. Load. And this is where we're going to add the text for our blog post. And you see we already have some dummy text in there, some lorem ipsum. I'm going to save that. If we're going to create a brand new blog post, obviously we would go ahead and add our text right over the top of that. Now, a couple other things that we need to do to finish our blog post. We need to add a featured image. So you go down here where it says Set Featured Image. You're going to choose an image that you have preloaded, or click on Upload Files and you can select an image from your computer. I'll go ahead and add something that's already in the library. Then you click on Set Featured Image, and that will be the featured image for our post. Now I want to say a word about featured images. Your blog will look best if you keep your featured image with a standard size. In other words, you decide what size you want all featured images to be, and then you stick to that size. You crop images and resize them to that size for every one of your blog posts. And that's how your blog is going to look the best. So that's just a word. We created this one at 800 pixels wide by 400 pixels tall. And then there's one other thing that you're going to want to take care of, and that is in the settings over here under Divi Post Settings. By default, this particular website hides the navigation before scroll, because that's the way the home page is set up, but we want to change that, so we're going to shut that off. Then we're all set. We publish our post, and once our post is published, we can take a look at it by clicking on View Post. And you can see the blog post, and there's all the content, and that is good to go. You're also going to find that that will show up on your blog page. This particular website uses Insights as their blog page. So now you'll see that we have our standard blog post showing up, in one that I set up earlier under Hello World is also showing up. And they will continue to show up along this page from top to bottom. And this page is set up to show 8 of the latest blog posts. So there you have it. That is how you're going to set up your blog post. You're going to add it to your blog. using a template with Divi. This is John Donnellan, JD Website Development. As always, you can visit our website at websbyjd.com. Thank you.